Alright, so it's 1:10 Las Vegas time, and I'm going to show you how many people are really out here in Vegas. If you ask me my honest opinion, if it's safe to come out here, I think right now it is. Check this out. I'm going to take you on a little walk.
Okay. Wait, okay.
Just so you know, a lot of places are closed. A lot of restaurants in our hotel, Paris, closed as well. They're limiting a lot of stuff. There's hand washing stations inside the actual hotels, the casinos. It seems like they're doing a really good job. They're trying to keep everybody safe here. You can tell there's not too many people out. I don't know if it's because of the time of the day or what. You want to go up the stairs or? So there's not too many people on the actual strip. And also the bartender was telling us that right now this time of year is kind of the slowest part, so I don't know. If you think it's a good idea to travel right now, I think right now is the time. Let's check out this side. Oh, this side's nothing. Caesars.
That makes no fucking sense.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Where do you want to go? There's a Cromwell. We don't know where we're gonna go yet, but we're gonna figure it out. You wanna go down? Yeah. Inside?
The shops here.
We are in what I guess is Caesars leading into the Bellagio. There's a lot of stores around here, but we're gonna go out this other way. We went to Bally's yesterday, right?
Bally's.
You can tell there's not too many people out. Everyone's wearing their masks. It's legal. Well, at least you're wearing a mask. We just got a big whiff of weed. How do we get across? Huh? So obviously you don't want to touch the sides of the escalators unless you got, of course, your hand sanitization and all that stuff. As you can see, there's a lot of people over there. Quite a bit of traffic. But there's not too many people on the strip. Everyone's wearing the masks. The governor mandated it. We can go to.
Are you gonna go back to the valley?
No, I don't want to go back to Bally's.
Oh, we're going the wrong.
Which way did we go?
It's southeast there. So I have to go back to like through the area.
That's Caesars and Bellagio, where we just came from. We're going back to Paris?
Like the other.
I wanted to go to Flamingo.
Where's Flamingo? Oh, it's over here?
Hey sir, you guys in town tonight?
No, we're leaving today actually. Thank you. I don't know how we get there. This is a Cromwell. I want to go to Cromwell. Alright, let's go check out Cromwell. Here's Ben and Jerry's ice cream. Just kind of doing this so y'all kind of know. We'll go across there. So y'all kind of know how many people are out here. What's the date today? December 6th? 5th?
No. The 4th.
December 4th at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. The performers are back out right now.
You will never try, you will never see. Everything I touch, you go.
Back one. Go down and out. Oh, this way. I do want to check out Flamingo. Let's go out to the outside and then we'll come back in. Show people are out, so.
You guys know how to dance? Yes, you don't.
So all the showgirls are out, so that's a good sign that Vegas is starting to come back. No, thanks. Alright, we're gonna go check out the Flamingo. I don't want to take the camera in there, so I'll see you guys later.